Good morning. I was gonna say good morning, Walgreens. Walgreens is not a good morning. But anyways, good morning, everybody. I'm at Walgreens right now. I got woken up by a very bad storm this morning. It was like hailing, and I'm so exhausted from that stupid rainstorm. But anyways, I'm at Walgreens right now. So last week I didn't have a register reward print off. I tried sending it through the Catalina company, and it said that I needed to like make it an account, which is not true. So I never processed with that. Then I contacted Walgreens through Walgreens chat. They're like, oh, I'm not allowed to give you Walgreens cash. And I've had it with Walgreens, you guys. There is so much going on that I cannot wait to tell you guys. But with the chat, she's like, oh, I'm not allowed to give you Walgreens. You got to do this and this. It says, this is not my fault that the register reward did not print. I think it's bullcrap that we have to do extra stuff to get a coupon that was supposed to print. That's not our job. Like, I don't want to call. I hate calling people. I don't want to contact the Catalina company for something of their mistake. And she's like, I'm truly sorry. I'm like, I actually said this. I says, you are not sorry. You don't even care. And she disconnected the chat. So I cannot wait to talk to you guys more about Walgreens. Just saying. Just saying. It's in my life update video that I'm going to be posting soon. I have something going on Tuesday, and then hopefully I have good news after that. And then I can share with you guys with my life update video. It's gonna be a long one because there's a lot of stuff that's been going on for the past couple months and I'm excited for. But this Walgreens right here, I've been shopping at this Walgreens for this store for years, you guys, years. I don't even like shopping at this store anymore because they just keep getting managers who have no idea what's going on. They have managers who try to kick me out of the store for filming, even though I've been doing this for years. But I'm actually thinking of going to a different store. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. There's one 24-hour store that's near me that I might go to. I do know 2 of the managers that work there. So I'm hoping maybe I might go there. We will see. I might test it out. But yeah. So we're going to go inside. There's some great deals, a lot of repeat deals. Again, always repeat deals, but we're still going to go inside and see what we can have. I see a sign on the door that says like operation hours. I don't know if they changed their hours. According to Google, they're open, but there's nobody here. So we will see what's going on. So here we have a decent deal of the Dove body wash. So you have the Dove women's body wash for $7. It looks like some of the bar soap is on sale for $7, along with one of the men's bar soap is $7, and then the body wash is $7 for the men's. But we currently have a $7 off of 2 digital coupon. It says body wash, but I'm not seeing the bar soap. We'll see. Okay, the bar soap is included too. But you're going to end up buying 2 of them. You can mix and match however you want. You're going to use that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. You will end up paying just $7, but when you purchase the 2 Dove products, you will receive a $3 register reward, making them just $4 or $2 each, which is a pretty decent deal for some Dove, and it's a great deal if you guys need to go ahead and get it. So here we have the Head & Shoulders. It's not a hot deal, but it's a deal where it's an okay deal. I haven't seen these go on sale for a while, but the Head & Shoulders are on sale for just $6. We currently have a $3 off of 2, so you're going to end up paying just $9 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2. So makes them just $6 or $3 each, which is an okay deal if you guys were looking at some Head & Shoulders. So last week I showed you guys the Colgate deal and the Oral-B deal. They're the same deal this week, so I don't have any new coupons for this week like I did last week. So if you guys need to check those out, you can go check out last week's video. Colgate ends up becoming $1 or 50 cents with the $4 off coupon, and then the Oral-B will come, or Crest will become free depending on what you guys get with the register reward. So just want to give you a heads up, it's the same repeat deal and I don't have any extra coupons. So my store still has their Airheads on clearance for $1.49. There is a checkout 51 deal where if I buy 2 of them I get $1 back. I'm not sure if this deal works for this one, but we're gonna try it out. I did do the scam thing. It says there's nothing that works for it, but there is $1 back when you purchase 2 And then there is a checkout 51 deal where I get 50 cents if I buy 2. Again, I don't know if this one's included, but we'll see. But if it basically is, if I get both of those approved, I'll pay $3 for it and I'll get $2 back with my apps. They come out to be 50 cents, which is a pretty great deal. So we'll see what happens. So here we have the Chic Silk Hydro Razors. These are $9.99. We currently have a $4 off digital coupon. I also have some tags that my store has for $4 off, but you're gonna get one of these and use that $4 off digital coupon. Then you're gonna get one of the men's Chic razors for $9.99, and you're gonna use a $4 off digital coupon. Together you will end up paying just $11.98, but when you purchase the 2, you will receive a $6 register reward, making them $5.98 or just $2.99, which is a pretty decent deal for some razors. So if you guys need some, definitely go ahead. So here we have the deal of the week. It is these baby bottles of the Arm & Hammer. They are $1.99 this week. I think the pods and the shakers are included, but I know the little baby bottles are. So if you guys are looking for some, this is a better deal. Usually they have these buy 1 get 2 free, but this week it is a better deal. Here we have the Febreze car 4 for $10. The Febreze small spaces 4 for $10. We have the plug, the spray, the other sprays 4 for $10. We have the Dawn dish sprays, and then we have the Gain sprays. These are all 4 for $10, which is a pretty good deal. It comes out to be $2.50 each. But I looked at my inserts that my father-in-law gave me. I don't get very much inserts, but we have a buy 1 get 1 free coupon for any of the Febreze products. And then we also have a $2.30 coupon for the Febreze plug. So you can get one of the Febreze plugs, any of the Febreze items, you get 2 of those, and then you can get a 4th item. I would probably get one of like the Dawn dish sprays. But altogether you would get all 4 items for $5.20. That's $1.30 each if you guys were looking at something like that. Pretty great deal for some Febreze. I'm debating on getting this deal. I might pass on it, but great deal. There is no digital coupons that I can find. So here's a deal that I love, but I like getting it when it's buy 2 get 1 free. But this week they're $1.99 if you guys need some Walgreens brand or complete home trash bags. $1.99, great little deal. Plus I know you get like 5% for Walgreens cash as a bonus when you guys buy these 2 because it's a Walgreens brand. But this is one of the deals for this week. So here we have the Scott's toilet paper for regular price, just $5. And then we also have the 4-pack of the Scott's paper towel for $5 also. There is currently a $1.25 IVC coupon that you guys can use, and it will apply to both. But then we have a $1 coupon for the Scott's toilet paper, and we have a $1 off coupon for the paper towels. So you guys will get each pack for just $2.75. So $2.75 for some Scott product is a great deal. So here is a sale that everybody loves. It is the Walgreens baggies. They are buy 1 at $2.79. You get 2 free. So basically you'd pay $2.79. That comes out to be just 93 cents a box, which is a pretty good deal. I always get the freezer bags because usually these bags are like one and done, but perfect bag to have if you guys like to store freezer items. But yes. So here we have some Dixie plates if you guys are interested in that. These are $6.99. Now we currently have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon, so you guys would end up paying just $12.98. But they do have it where if you buy 2 you do receive a $3 register reward, making them just $9.98. That's about $4.99 a pack. This one right here is a 54 count for Dixie. Now I was price comparing to Walmart. You can get a 50 count for $3.38, so it just depends on what you guys need. Here's a 50 pack for $5.98, so just depends on what you guys need, but it's an okay deal at Walgreens. So if you guys have a hankering for some ice cream, here's a really great deal on some items that we have. So my store is sold out of the Oreo bars, but these are $6.99. They are currently buy one get one 50, or buy one get one free. So you would pay $6.99, but then there is a $1.50. I bought a rebate with a limit of 5, so you guys can get up to 4, but you get $3 back when you purchase the 2, making them just $3.99 or $1.99 a box, which is a pretty good deal. You can get the Kit Kat ones that are $5.99 or the drumstick ones that are $5.99. You can mix and match however you guys want to do it. But we have a 75-cent I bought a rebate for the Kit Kat, and we have a 75-cent I bought a rebate for the drumsticks. So mix and match however you guys want to do it, but these come out to be $4.49 or $2.24 each. Then we have these Nestle 6-count ice cream sandwiches for $5.99 at buy one get one 50% off, or buy one get one free. But there is no I bought a rebate for it, but there is a deal with Swag Bucks, and it is for this one. You can use, so you pay $5.99, you'll get $2.50 back with Swag Bucks, making it $3.49 or just $1.74 a box. Hello everybody. So I was a little bit on the grumpy side when I walked in the store this morning, and now I feel 100 times better. I talked to the store manager, and everything is good. She was telling me, you know, they have hired a whole bunch of new people. I told her I'm just so used to having like the same people. She's like, yeah. And then like there's a new cashier, and she said she's gonna be there like every Sunday, and I'm like, sweet, because if we can keep the same people, I'm very happy. So she did help me out from the deal from last week. She ended up giving me points for it, because I told her, I says I tried calling Walgreens, I tried doing the Catalina and everything, and she's like, nope. So she helped me with that, so thank you. But otherwise, everything else, I'm not getting a lot of stuff lately, and I cannot wait to tell you guys. I really want to tell you guys, and I will after Tuesday. So let me just kind of go through with you everything that I got. So the Airheads, these are on clearance if your store still has them, for $1.49. My store had them unmarked still. She's gonna mark them today, but $1.49, and then I got $1 back with checkout 51, and then I also did get a $1 back with Swag Bucks. I didn't write it down. I just like looked at my phone for this deal. With Swag Bucks, you get $100 or $1. You get $1 back when you purchase the 2. So I ended up getting these for like 50 cents each, which is a great deal. So I got more Airheads. I ended up doing the Schick razors because I've been wanting to try the Schick razors. I've been a Venus person for years, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And I found out from my husband that the 5 blades are actually better than the 4 blades. Like anytime I buy him razors throughout the last couple years, he's always like, I like the 5 blades, I like the 5 blades, I like the 5 blades. So I always make sure I get him the 5 blades, and then I saw that they had a 5 blades for women, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this and see if it makes a difference. But these were both $9.99. There is a $4 digital and a $4 off digital for these two. You will end up paying $11.98 for the both of those, but you will receive a $6 register reward, making them $5.98 or just $3 each, $2.99, which is a pretty okay deal. So if you guys need to go ahead and get that. I just don't get razors as much as I used to. Like, I miss shopping at CVS, and I'll explain to that again in my video when I can get to it. But I ended up getting the Dove body wash. These are $7. There is a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to use. You're going to end up paying $7 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $3 register reward, making them just $6 or $4 or $2 each, which is a pretty okay deal. So we got that. And then I ended up getting the Nestle ice cream sandwiches. So I scanned it in the Swagbucks app. It said there's no barcode going to it. I got exactly what the thing says, but I didn't get approved, so now I had to click where it says contact something. So this is pending, but this is the only one I got. I really wanted to get the Oreo bars. I looked behind the thing and they had boxes, but the boxes were empty. And she's got to figure out what the heck's going on. But the Oreo bars are the best deal, and I really wanted to get those for my kids, but that's okay. That's okay. I might try a different Walgreens. But anyways, the Nestle things with Swagbucks are kind of wonky, but if you did get these are $5.99 at buy one get one free. You get 250 points with Swagbucks. It was supposed to be $3.49 or just $1.74. So we'll see on what goes on with that. I know they take a while for you to get approved for Swagbucks, but I got those because I've been craving some ice cream sandwiches. And then I ended up getting some Scott's toilet paper, $5. There's a $1 digital and a $1.25 IVC coupon. So these come out to be $2.75. I have so much paper towels, it's ridiculous. I just don't have a lot of toilet paper. I do have a lot of toilet paper. I just got to crawl underneath my steps and get it. But it's all there. So yeah, so that was everything that I got. I have a lot of the trash bags. I don't need any more baggies. And then like the Dawn Febreze deal, I was thinking of getting it, but then I'm like, I don't really need it. So I kind of just stopped on that. But that was everything that I got. Just give you guys a heads up, I didn't go crazy. I did have a spend 40 get $8 booster, and I did get that. So just give you guys a heads up, I did get the spend 40 get $8 booster, and I got that. So my total came to $30.70 for everything that I got. And so for that deal, for the booster deal, if you guys have those spend boosters, do not pay with Walgreens cash, because you will not get the Walgreens cash for the spend booster. So just give you guys a heads up. But $30.70 was my total. I did not pay that price. I paid with register rewards that I received from last week. So my out of pocket was a little bit lower, but it was still a great deal. I ended up receiving the 2 register rewards, so I got $9 worth of register rewards. I ended up receiving $8.40 for points. Checkout 51, I got $1 back for the Airheads, and then Swagbucks, I did get that $1 back for the Airheads, but I'm still waiting on the $2.50 back with the Nestle deal. But otherwise, it came out to be $8.80. I got 9 items at 97 cents each. So I think it was a pretty great deal. Like I said, I just am not going super crazy right now, and for financially, just because, but I will explain that to you guys when I get a chance. But I still wanted to share with you guys my haul. It is supposed to be hot today. It's supposed to be 93 degrees outside. It was 60-something degrees this morning when I came to the store. Now I don't even know what the weather is, but it's hot. It is hot, so I hope you guys have a nice day. I'm just going to sit back, relax, take a nap, and maybe get some reading done today. I just want some mental health relaxation to read. But I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys live saving some money, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.